Welcome to Home Organizing for Beginners. I'm Tammy, your home organizing educator. As someone who is or feels like they're just starting their home organizing journey, you want to be set up for lasting home organizing solutions, right? You want to be able to sustain the work that you do in your home to get it organized. Now, we'd all really prefer to have someone else come in and organize our home for us, but you're probably not really in the position to do that, so it still falls to you to make it happen. Knowing that, you want to be sure that when you organize a space, it's going to stay that way, right? Then you're not spending all of your valuable time organizing the same spaces over and over and over again. This cycle that I'm talking about, where you organize the same spaces over and over and over again, that's called the hamster wheel of home organizing. And anybody who's on that wheel definitely wants off ASAP. In today's episode, I'll share with you the 8 strategies you need to employ in your own home in order to stay off that hamster wheel of home organizing forever. Then, over the next 8 weeks, we're going to dive into each one of those strategies. We're going to pick one strategy a week and dive deep into it. We'll identify what the problems are when you don't utilize the strategy, and we'll lay out the steps you can follow to implement each and every one. If you want to access all of these strategies today, you can get them for free in the online course called The Secrets to Lasting Home Organization. Not only are you going to get all of the same information I'm sharing with you over the next 8 weeks, you get it in video form, along with documents you can download that's going to help you implement each and every one of these strategies. Again, if you're ready to get going, you can access all of it now for free. The link will be in the show notes, or you can go to homeorganizingforbeginners.com and click sign up. So today what we're going to do is we're going to review at a high level what each of the 8 strategies are. So these strategies are your home organizing solutions at a very high level. So, strategy number 1 is called vision. Having a home organizing vision is something that's going to keep you motivated when the going gets tough. And I can guarantee you, your home organizing journey will be tough at one time or another. You're going to lose motivation. You're going to be super busy. Something's just going to happen that's going to completely derail you from your home organizing journey. You need to have something that reminds you of what you were trying to achieve, and that's what your home organizing vision is. Strategy number 2, plan. Having a home organizing plan is basically your roadmap to reach your vision. You're going to lay out the details of what that plan is. Basically, it's the direction of how to get from where you are today to where you want to be, which is your home organizing vision, right? Strategy 3 is decision strategy. This is a big one. Have you ever heard of decision fatigue? This is something I think we all feel. We just may not have a name that we can put to it. Decision fatigue happens when you go through the day and you have to make so many decisions, right? We all have so many decisions to make, from figuring out what we're going to wear to what we're going to make for dinner, how to get the kids to where they need to be when they need to be there, right? We have a lot of decisions to make within the course of the day. And when you go through your home organizing journey, it is even more decision making on top of what you already make. When you create a decision strategy, you're essentially thinking through how you're going to make those decisions in advance, how you're going to decide what to donate, what to keep, what to throw away. It's a guideline, so to speak. Strategy 4 is right size. Right sizing considers your current season of life. This helps you fit organizing into your life instead of trying to make a bunch of extra time just so that you can get organized, right? This makes sense because when you make organizing part of your daily life, it becomes something you just do. It becomes easy, it becomes simple, and simple is sustainable. So, strategy number 5, pictures. Much like in the health and fitness aspect where you take a before and an after picture, having before and after pictures of a space that you are working on really allows you to look back at the progress you have made over time. So if you feel like you're not an organized person, this is something that is going to give you confidence that you can get organized, that you do truly have the skills or can learn the skills to get organized. I even like to have you guys take in process pictures because this helps you remember where you left off, and it also helps you know that you did make progress if you have to step away from your home organizing project. Strategy 6 is sort. Sorting is also known as decluttering. That is the more common term. I do like to call it sorting because that's the physical process that you're going through. You sort through all of the things utilizing your decision strategy in the right size space, right? So once you're done sorting, you have a cleared and clean space. Strategy 7 is organize. This is what most people think of when they go to get organized. This is the physical process of putting things into a space in an orderly manner. So you may start out your home organizing project by going and picking out bins or baskets or things that are going to make the area look nice. You can get creative, but I really recommend focusing on the function over the fashion. Strategy 8 is sustain. Everything I teach, whether it's on a podcast, in person, or online, I teach with sustainability in mind. You've done the work up front, but now it's time to do behind the scenes work so that you can set expectations for your family, you can set expectations for yourself, and once you're clear on what you expect, you can effectively communicate it. That's what's going to help you sustain the work you've put in place. Join me next week as we dive deeper into what a home organizing vision is. So, we're going to dive into strategy 1. We're going to talk about why you need a home organizing vision and how you can create it. So remember, you can get off the hamster wheel of home organizing today when you sign up for the Secrets to Lasting Home Organization. There's no cost for this course. You'll learn exactly what you need to get started, get organized, and ultimately stay organized. You can go to homeorganizingforbeginners.com to sign up now. In summary, I'm going to run through the 8 strategies really quick. Vision, plan, decision strategy, right size, pictures, sort, organize, sustain. Those are your 8 strategies, and I can't wait to dive deeper into each one of those. Thanks so much and have a great day. I hope we have the opportunity to get to know each other better.